ready to ditch the tech headaches and build a stunning website without touching a single line of code. Let's dive into creating a professional website using Wix. First, head over to Wix.com and click on the Get Started button. In the upper right corner, you'll be prompted to sign up. You can either use your email, Google, or Facebook account. Pick whichever is easiest for you and fill in the necessary info to create your account. Once you're signed in, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. This helps personalize the template suggestions. Choose the option that best matches your website's purpose, then browse through the wide range of professionally designed templates. These are fully customizable, so don't worry about finding one that's perfect right now. Hover over the template you like and click Edit to start customizing it. Now for the fun part, editing. Wix's drag-and-drop interface makes this super simple to edit text. Just click on the text box and start typing. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment with the options in the editing panel. Adding images is just as easy. Click on an existing image to replace it, or drag and drop your own images from your computer directly onto the page. Wix also offers a library of free stock photos if you need them. Use the left-hand menu to add new pages, like an About Us, Contact, or Services page. Click on Pages and Menu, then Add Page to get started. Give your new page a title, and then customize it just like you did with the home page. Before you publish, click the Preview button in the upper right corner to see how your website will look to visitors. This lets you check for any errors or make any last-minute adjustments. Happy with your website? Great! Click the Publish button, choose a domain name. You can use a free Wix domain or connect your own, and your website will be live. And just like that, you've built a website with Wix, no code required.